Rumors about the iQOO 13 have been ongoing, with the phone expected to launch in China this November. On the front, the iQOO 13 will feature a BOE-supplied 6.78 inches OLED screen with a flat design. It will offer a 2K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. It will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. The phone will have three 50-megapixel cameras on the rear side, 50-megapixel primary camera with OIS support, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom and an autofocus-enabled 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The phone will have 6000 mAh battery with 100-watt fast charging support. Other rumored features of the device include an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor, a metal middle frame, and an IP68 rated body.